You're listening to Pensacola State College Library's Student Voices Archive. I'm Thomas Dante. We'll be speaking with current students and alumni to find out more about their experiences here at PSC and beyond in their academic and employment careers. Today, we're speaking with...
My name is Scott Williams. I live in Gulf Breeze. I'm a freshman here at PSC. I'm originally from Stanford, California. Grew up in Reno. Finished high school here at PJC Adult High back in 1995. Served in the Army. Started a little bit of college after I got out of the Army. Picked up construction for 25 years, and at 42, I am working on a psychology degree.
Scott's a regular library user who fishes and studies law as a hobby. A non-traditional student, Scott has come back to PSC in the fall of 2017 after careers in the military and elsewhere, and is taking a full course load of classes. There were a few reasons why Scott decided to come back to PSC. First, he was determined to finish.
I started here, and so I'm going to finish my associate's degree. I'm more focused because I have a drive, I have a purpose.
Second, it was the best choice in cost.
Financially, I think the education is the same between here and UWF. It's a lot more economical for people to start.
When asked why he decided to stop taking classes, Scott said he just wasn't focused or ready.
I started because I thought I could get a degree, but I was young. I didn't really have the initiative or the desire to really focus on my education.
But after serving in the military and discovering a medical issue, Scott learned he needed a degree to work in a career that focuses on helping others who might be suffering from post-traumatic stress, something he's become passionate about.
I have a genetic heart condition that prevents me from getting a job without a degree, so that's why I'm pursuing psychology, so that I can work with post-traumatic stress, drug addicts, or prisoners.
In the years since he's first attended, Scott noted there have been lots of changes and improvements, and said how much he's especially enjoyed several of his instructors and professors.
It's improved in the quality of the teachers, I would say. Mr. Cockfield, for college success, he takes his job very seriously, and he has a very good way of teaching. He has a diversity. Dr. Wang Ping Zhang is an English comp teacher, and he has a very unique way of pursuing the interests of the English language to be important.
But coming back has also posed some challenges.
The biggest change is going from chalkboard textbook lecture to everything being almost technological, and the adjustment is a lot different.
However, Scott's found services around campus that have helped.
The Student Aid Center, where they provide tutors, longer test time if you need it. Yeah, the PSC library online, the books, the computers, the study rooms are really beneficial. It's a place to be able to focus and do my studies.
Scott's continuing to take classes this summer and is on track to graduate in May 2019, when we plan to speak with him again. He plans to attend the University of West Florida to complete his bachelor's and master's in psychology. You've been listening to Pensacola State College Library's Student Voices Archive. To find out more about the library and future projects, visit our website at pensacolaState.edu/library. I'm Thomas Dante. Thank you for listening.